The highly anticipated launch has finally taken place and the wait is finally over. Tata Motors India ने finally launch कर दी है Tata Curve EV today, that is the 7th of August. The Tata Curve SUV Coupe is Tata's offering in the mid SUV segment. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the details, including the price, the charging, the range, and all of that. Starting with the design first, let's talk about the exteriors of the Tata Curve EV. तो अपफ्रंट देखा जाए तो LED DRLs रहेंगे, हेडलाइट्स रहेंगी एंड बहुत ज़्यादा रिजेंबलेंस रहेगा टू द टाटा नेक्सॉन EV. फ्रंट में ही चार्जिंग पोर्ट अवेलेबल होगा विच इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड बाय अ स्मार्ट फ्लैप जो कि इलेक्ट्रिकली ऑपरेटेड रहेगा. The first thing to catch the eye on the side profile will definitely be the flush fitting door handles, जो कि गाड़ी को बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रीमियम लुक दे रहे हैं. उसके अलावा when we move to the back side, to the rear side of the vehicle, we will see inverted L-shaped LED tail lights, which again are providing a very sleek look to the vehicle. The sloping roof justifies the coupe styling of the Tata Curve EV. Apart from that, जो tailgate रहेगा, that is gesture controlled. And when we talk about the colors, these will be presented on your screen right now. The EV will be available in 5 different colors. Now moving on to the interiors, buyers को जो सबसे पहली चीज़ दिखेगी that will be the expansive panoramic sunroof. Looks beautiful. उसके अलावा जब हम डैशबोर्ड पे आते हैं तो डिजिटल इंस्ट्रूमेंटिव क्लस्टर मिलेगा. 12.3 इंचेस का टच स्क्रीन इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम रहेगा एंड 10.25 इंचेस का डिजिटल ड्राइवर डिस्प्ले रहेगा. अब अगर इंटीरियर एस्थेटिक्स की बात करी जाए तो अगेन नेक्सॉन EV के साथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिमिलैरिटीज़ रहेंगी. कस्टमाइजेबल मूड लाइट्स हैं, ऑटोमेटिक क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल रहेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर वेंटिलेटेड फ्रंट सीट्स, 6-वे पावर ड्राइवर सीट्स रहेंगी, 9 स्पीकर JBL साउंड सिस्टम रहेगा एंड वायरलेस फ़ोन चार्जिंग इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. Arcade.ev will allow streaming OTT platforms and playing games on the touchscreen, but only when the vehicle is stationary. The EV comes with a spacious cabin and storage with the boot capacity of up to 500 liters. अब performance and safety की बात करते हैं. So the Tata Curve EV is built on the Acti.ev architectural platform, जो कि टाटा का प्लेटफॉर्म है. Apart from that, it is being claimed that it is also BNCAP 5-star capable, which is a good thing. Now we'll talk about the battery packs. We have 2 battery pack options available. First one, जो छोटा वाला option available है, that is the 45 kWh का variant. This one is giving a claimed range, ARAI claimed range of 502 kilometers. Now coming on to the bigger battery pack, which is the 55 kWh का battery pack. This one is giving a massive claimed range of 585 kilometers, which is impressive. अब व्हीकल का जो एक्सेलरेशन है दैट इज़ 8.6 सेकेंड्स, दैट इज़ इट कैन गो फ्रॉम 0 to 100 kmph in 8.6 seconds. चार्जिंग की बात करी जाए तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट इम्प्रेसिव बिकॉज इट कैन गो फ्रॉम 10 to 80% in just 40 minutes with a DC fast charger. So the vehicle can be charged for up to 150 kilometers in a mere 15 minutes, which is crazy. इसके अलावा जो टॉप स्पीड है दैट इज़ 160 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर एंड V2V and V2L functionalities are also available, that is vehicle to load and vehicle to vehicle charging. Vehicle comes with aero curtains and 18 inches के aerodynamically designed alloy wheels. 190 millimeters का ground clearance रहेगा and water wading capacity रहेगी 450 millimeters की. टाटा क्लेम कर रहा है कि जो ऑफ रोडिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं कर्व EV के वो बहुत ज़्यादा सुपीरियर हैं. समथिंग वेरी यूनिक इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेफ्टी, देयर इज अकूस्टिक व्हीकल अलर्ट सिस्टम कॉल्ड द AVAS.
Of your societies, the AVAS creates a sound to warn pedestrians. Yes, the file that you're hearing is the AVAS file going on, which will sound until the car has hit a speed of 20 kilometers an hour and then it will fade out.
Now इससे क्या होगा कि when the vehicle is running at a slow speed in pedestrian heavy areas and crowded places, so the vehicle will have this sound which is being produced and उसकी वजह से pedestrians will be aware that there is a vehicle around us, because electric vehicles as such आवाज़ नहीं निकालती हैं while they're being driven, and until the vehicle hits the 20 km per hour वाला speed तब तक वो sound आता रहेगा and then it'll eventually fade off. Tata has equipped the Curvv EV with level 2 ADAS. So there will be a lot of features, 20 features to be exact. उसमें से कुछ are adaptive cruise control, high beam assist, lane departure warning. Now coming on to the price, of course the most awaited topic. So the Tata Curvv EV हमने expect करा था कि 18 से 25 या 18 से 24 लाख के बीच में प्राइस्ड होगी, but it starts at just rupees 17.49 lakh and goes up just till 21.99 lakh. हमारे हिसाब से this is a very impressive pricing that टाटा ने सेट करी है अपनी EV के लिए, and also very competitive pricing strategy. बुकिंग्स की बात करी जाए तो 12th August of this year, which is in the next few days, the bookings will commence. And rivals की बात करी जाए तो हमारी जो Hyundai Creta EV अभी लॉन्च होने वाली है, that will be a competitor to the Tata Curvv EV. And apart from that, market में जो अभी exist कर रही है, that will be the MG ZS EV. So that will be all for today's video. Comment down below आपको क्या लगता है, what are your thoughts about the EV and if you're planning to buy this EV. Bookings commence on 12th of August, so watch out for the date. And like this video if you think the overview was helpful, and share this video with your friends or with EV lovers around you, and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and electrify your journey.